Greetings. Playing another game on Lee Chess. Was gonna go out, but missed my meetup. Said it's staying. Okay, so we got some kind of close Sicilian. Um, hmm. Haven't seen. This is probably fine. Oh yeah. So now it's like a normal close Sicilian, except this move is a little strange. Well, let's not waste time. Should I play d5 right away? Seems like a good idea. Pigeon in the background just won't shut up. So okay, he's gonna be able to hit my queen with tempo, but I'm not sure. Well, I mean, if he comes here. Huh. Okie doke. Don't see that as a problem. Yo, Pidge, please, shut up. I don't know if you guys can hear the pigeon cooing in the background. He's really, he needs a girlfriend or something. Alright, if knight takes, I'm taking here, and then taking back. I don't know, this looks pretty good for me. And now, alright, if bishop here, knight takes queen, no. So, alright, so maybe I've already messed this up a little bit. Could play bishop here. I like the look of that. Now if knight takes out mate. However, if bishop takes knight, bishop takes bishop. Let's do it. Let's obviously can't calculate everything in a blitz game, but now we can try to calculate. So knight takes knight is out of the question. Bishop takes knight is probably pretty bad too. So that leaves this move. Now bishop takes bishop, we're just down a piece, so I think we have to do this. And this looks pretty good. Bishop takes is... Huh, bishop takes or pawn takes. I think pawn takes. Maybe put pressure on the c file. This knight is pinned. Okay, he's attacking here. Should I play e5? I don't think so. That makes my bishop bad. Probably e6. Man, this bird is driving me nuts. Okay, he wants to trade queens. It should still be better for me, right, if I trade queens? I may have to put on headphones to draw this damn bird out. Alright. Maybe this is not so bad for him. Maybe he's gonna play rook here and... Alright, anyway, I gotta... Maybe play e5 and then put the bishop somewhere else. I think that's my plan. Still looks pretty good. If rook c1, I can play this move. Although then I may lose this pawn. Bishop here. Yeah, I'm going to play this first, and then play f6. So this is probably not so great. Yeah, because of this. But I still should have an advantage. Oh my god, I want to wring this bird's neck. Okay, fair enough. Put him in a dark square, even though I have a dark square bishop. Okay. Yeah, no, this doesn't look very good at all. Let's play f5. Alright, you know this guy's playing actively. I should still be better. If he comes back, he's threatening this again. Yeah. Let's play here. All right, I got 22 seconds. I really got to pick up the pace. Okay. Huh. How about here? Now his bishop's out on a limb. I better start bringing my king up. If he checks me, I'm just taking it. Now if he checks me, I'm really just taking it. I have a better king, but I have 18 seconds. No. Allowing that would be a nightmare. Okay, this is where I panic and trade pieces. Taking with the pawn is probably bad. This looks good though. Don't think I want to trade rooks. Edge, please, please, please stop. Please stop. I have 9 seconds, alright? You're stressing me the oh yeah, promised myself no swearing on the channel. This should be a winning king and pawn endgame. If he decides to go into the like place king here or something. Okay, can I do that? I can do that. Here. God, this bird is freaking annoying. I hate when animals and children just make these repetitive noises over and over. It's so aggravating. Oh, I should have played rook here. I can still play rook here. If he moves the rook, I penetrate with my king. Either way, I'm penetrating with my king. Maybe here, threatening the same thing. Should be winning. I don't think there's any tricks here. Yeah, this is easily winning. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's analyze this game. Put stockfish on, main something or other probably from this position. Alright, he goes with a unconventional setup. I mean, bishop d2 is nothing you really have to study or worry about. Castle. Guess other moves are possible. Bishop takes. I don't want to give up my dark square bishop. Sweet. My move is good. But he can't take. Oh yeah, I don't have anything like this because he just comes back and hits my queen. So I don't really have anything. What about this? Yeah, it's just equal. But he gives up the bishop. So I have a little something. And, oh, e5. Computer likes e5. For a second it likes this. Just getting an active position. Huh, really? Computer ain't afraid of no ghosts. Okay, is that what I do? No, instead of attacking my queen, what if he does this? Oh man, that's true. My queen is the computer's just not afraid as long as it has the initiative to get rid of the pests. Oh, and that trades queens. And not here. Oh yeah, no, not there because I kicked the knight. What about here? Oh yeah. Huh, cute. Yeah, after this game, I'm gonna have to do something about this bird, driving me nuts. Alright, so trading queens was good. Not e5, but just a rook over. e5 is probably okay. Oh no, it says equal. So, no, not quite equal, still a little something. I didn't like rook c7, because now I'm not threatening anything, my rook is stuck there. I didn't see b6 as any kind of big problem. And then that's real passive. f6, I guess just for my bishop once and for all. But I played f5. And I should let him take. Cause... Oh, I see. That's nice. Yeah, that's no good, right? Huh. Oh, maybe I'm just winning this weak pawn. But isn't he winning my weak pawn? Oh, not actually, because I'm first. Cool. I liked my c5 active defense. And this is, I feel like a weaker version of me would have played here. Yeah, I really like this rook here. I'm very happy with his work. And yeah, just trade and have faith in myself. Except the computer says it's a draw. How is this a draw? Oh, he can do that. Seriously? Oh, I guess because these pawns are weak. So if I take, am I losing even? No, if I take, I'm losing. Look at that. No matter what, I guess his king's coming in here. So I have to play something like a6. Give this up. This bird is the bane of my existence. And it says equal. It's pretty scary for both sides. We both have passed pawns. Okay. So here I thought my rook c5 was clever, but actually it's a draw or worse for me. But after this, I'm just smashing. Don't take right away. Oh, or I can just take these pawns, but I want to make it complicated. Cool. All right. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.